Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back. I want to introduce you to a power couple, Jack and Karol. I met Jack and Karol through Haley, who actually is the marketing director at Goodwin Cole, the shade company that came and installed the roller shade at my house. And Haley was telling me about her parents and how beautiful their garden is. And thank you both for letting me come over and film this today. How long have you lived in this garden?
38 years.
38 years.
And so your kids were raised here.
Yes.
Grandkids here. And tell me about your house, because your house is absolutely beautiful. It's more of a Mediterranean
It was
house.
built in 1926.
Wow.
And we bought it from the only owner it's had.
Oh my goodness.
The
How
Deans.
fun.
And he was, the Deans, he was the first administrator of Sacramento State.
No.
Yes.
How cool.
Uh-huh.
How kind of a good name, the Deans.
He was Dean Dean.
He was
Dean
Dean
Dean.
Dean.
He was Dean Dean.
That's amazing. He had to be a Dean. That was
Yeah.
the perfect name. Well, this is just such a lovely, welcoming house. The chickens are coming out. Perfect timing.
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you guys start taking us around and show us, first of all, talk about your bougainvillea arch.
Yes.
It's gorgeous. When was this planted?
This bougainvillea was planted when we removed the redwood tree. We kind of threw it in the backyard.
Yeah.
And then it started like flowering, and we said, this has merit.
It does.
And so somehow the arch came to be, and then we decided it needed to be part of the arch.
It's the most incredible thing I've ever seen, and it fits perfectly with your Mediterranean style house. Now, you said you had a redwood tree. Where was the redwood?
It was where the
redwood
pool
was
is.
in the middle of the pool.
Back here.
The now pool. Yes.
Now what is a pool? I just think it's so funny you have chickens running around. I just love it. It's such a fun, welcoming home. So let me give kind of a overview of this lovely, lovely garden. We are in Sacramento. We're in the Curtis Park neighborhood, and this just feels like California. It feels like such a California house. You said the redwood was over here?
Yes.
And what happened to it?
The crown began to die.
Yeah.
So the arborist said, and it started losing some huge limbs,
Uh-oh.
which fell right in
Scary.
our backyard.
Yes, kind of close to the
So
house.
Yes.
I said, okay,
People
now
and dogs.
now's the time we have to take it out. And I've always wanted a pool.
Yeah.
We both grew up with swim pools.
Yeah.
And so we took it out, and Jeremiah built the pool.
Uh-huh.
And we
Never
use
looked
it
back.
year round.
It's incredible. And you guys have your grandkids that come here.
Oh,
Your
yes.
kids, twins.
I was out here,
And little Sophie and River.
Oh my goodness.
Janie, I was out here at 6 in the morning this morning swimming.
You were doing laps or?
I have these hydrotone things. I do some exercises with them.
Oh my God. Jack is a physical therapist,
Yes.
right? And as you all know, I was, or I guess I still am a physical therapist.
You are.
Jason is a physical therapist, so we're talking physical therapy, and I'm like, wait a minute, we got to talk gardening. My two loves. So the redwood tree is here, and it came out, and then this beautiful pool that you have surrounded by the most interesting plants, I have to say. I don't even know where to start because it's so pretty. Karol, take me over this way and show me all your pots over here.
This is my Daphne that
Oh, isn't that nice?
cannot seem to get to die or live more. But
These look like my Daphnes.
I'm trying my
It's
best.
very, very difficult. I see you have a fig. That's really fun.
A fig that I have had for, I would say, 25 years.
Oh, my
So
goodness.
it is kind of a bonsai
Yeah,
fig that gets a few figs on
it
it.
produces fruit. I can
Yes.
see fruit.
Yes.
And I just love that you have all these pots stacked up along the stairs up to the house. This is just, I was telling them when I moved in, or when I came here, that if you guys have seen the Something's Gotta Give movie, this is the Something's Gotta Give house up in Sacramento. I think Something's Gotta Give was filmed in Santa Barbara.
Yes,
right?
I think, yes.
Yeah, and so this
Now
is,
I got to see it again.
oh my
but-
gosh, go watch it and you're like, oh, that does look like my house.
But I have seen it, and I think I know exactly. What I'm flattered.
It's just absolutely amazing. Anyway, this all looks like the something's got to give type of stuff. And then we have to point out, oh my gosh, Jack, this is your baby?
It is.
This staghorn fern. How old is this?
Ooh.
As long as we've lived here, I believe.
It's as old as we've lived here.
35 years, let's say.
35 years?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's just...
And as you can see, it is implanted on the side of the house. So
yeah, it's
we
not
just
going
paint
anywhere.
around.
Yeah, it's bolted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how did it start? It was in a little basket?
It was thingies.
Those moss baskets, you know,
Tiny basket.
Gosh.
with the little piece coming out.
Yeah. Just the tiny little ones. And this is what it can turn into in 35
It was just a
years.
decorative thing you get at Tellini's
The
or
right
something.
exposure.
Oh my goodness. So what is this way? This is east. This is
This is south.
Yeah,
this is
north.
south. So this is north. So
north.
it gets a little bit of protection.
Yeah, it doesn't get the afternoon sun.
Oh my
It
goodness.
gets the morning sun.
And pretty protected
It
now
gets a
in the
little beat up
wind,
in the summer.
protected.
In the summer, it gets a little stressed. Well, 100-degree days, it can definitely do that.
Yeah.
And how do you guys water this?
We stand up with the hose and just give it a good shower.
It's just amazing.
And Janie, I think I told you earlier, I feed it banana peels.
Banana peels.
Yeah, that's it.
I've never heard that before. You'd like cut them up and...
Cut them up, and then there's a little bowl in the top,
Yeah.
and you just put them up there and let them ferment, decompose.
It's just very interesting. That with the tile roof and the awnings and the stucco, like it's just the coolest thing. Absolutely coolest thing. And then I see, Carol, you have begonias under here. Looks like some Rex begonias, and you even have some angel wing begonias.
Yes.
That is incredible.
And I do love the begonia. There's a festival at McKinley Shepherd Gardens each year, and there's just the most amazing begonias.
I'll have to go to that.
I have to,
You get
a little more.
you get tempted every time you go.
Yes,
probably.
exactly.
And then over here we can see this. Jack, you said this is your chaos area.
Yes,
I like it.
this is the organized chaos.
Organized chaos. I think that's fantastic. It's beautiful. And then you have a gorgeous Japanese maple over here in the corner
Yes?
with bougainvillea growing in the middle of it. I see. Can you guys see that?
Yeah, that's more of the chaos.
More of the chaos. Yes, more of the chaos.
And the dogwood over here was here with when the redwood was here.
Oh, yeah?
So we have had to. It became, instead of a shade plant, a sun plant.
It seems to be doing okay.
Protected in the
Right?
afternoon, yes.
Yeah,
So,
it seems to be. It seems
yeah,
to be
it's
happy
happy.
enough. And
And
then you have little flowers absolutely everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't get
yeah,
without
pretty
jumping in the
sunny here.
pool, which
I
it's
know.
going to be 100 today, so I'm tempted.
Oh, yeah. You are our guest for the day.
Oh, thank you, Jack. And then I got to point out this buddleia over here because this is absolutely stunning. In full bloom right now, right?
Yes, that has gotten on steroids, I think.
It is
like,
happy as a clam, I have to say. How
I
fun.
didn't expect a butterfly plant to be like that, but
No.
it's
But it looks good, and it's happy. How often do you guys come out and work on gardening?
pretty much daily.
Do you?
We do,
Jenny?
and we get sucked in.
You do.
If you don't have a full
Ben.
bin
Yeah.
of clippings and stuff,
Yeah.
you're way behind.
You know what? That's a very good way to put it, Jack.
You got to have it, or you're
Pretty
in-
much every day.
You're in deep trouble. The thing
And we're
is,
retired, so
Yeah.
we can.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So,
And the thing is, you sort of prune it to where it looks like it's never been pruned.
Yeah.
There's a little art to it,
I love it.
but it takes a little bit of time.
Yeah.
You can't just sit there and
It's
Groom
tempting
it.
to sit there and hack it back. But
Yeah.
you're right. It looks the best when you take your time.
just take your time.
Yeah.
yeah,
And
big time.
it's just so therapeutic doing it. I'm sorry, it is.
I love
and
it.
My philosophy is a backyard should be a little utilitarian. Mm-hmm. In other words, you go to the backyard and say, dude, you can't just lay around here looking good all day.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're going to put a clothesline on you,
Yeah.
and we're going to put a chicken coop on you,
I love it.
and we're going to throw a garden in on you.
Oh my gosh.
And it's got to work for you a little.
This is the coolest house, I have to say. You guys are so awesome. This is so, like, I want to live here. I want to live here, and I want to come and be with your chickens and, show all
No,
this
they'd drive
stuff.
you crazy.
Will they?
Hey, Janie?
Yeah.
One thing, the street light,
Yeah.
this came out of the Alhambra Theater.
Wow.
And it was in their garden.
No, how did you guys get that?
Yes.
How did you get it?
I was on the committee to try to save the darn thing.
Oh, yeah?
And the lady that was in charge said, hey, we have a street light here.
Yeah.
And so I have actually 2 of them. And the other one's in the back. I haven't used it. But you'll notice that they're too short for a street light.
Yeah.
So the Alhambra had them in their garden there.
Oh, my goodness.
And had
what a
it put here.
treasure.
Yeah.
What a treasure to have. Does
It
it
is
work?
a treasure.
Does it work?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my
When it
gosh.
comes on, we have it wired up, and
Oh, my gosh. Very cool, you
you
guys.
just missed the apricots. They
Oh,
were
yeah?
abundant.
Oh, wow, yeah, we
but
had-
between the squirrels. This was, I bought it as a dwarf apricot.
Uh-huh. Yeah, dwarf. Totally.
Not so dwarf.
That's a California dwarf.
Yes. But we did get
happy.
a lot of apricots this
Yeah.
year. And the lilac, and then there's a pixie peach back in here.
A what?
A
Oh, my
pixie
gosh.
peach. So we have,
Right.
and the blueberries have mostly bloomed out.
And a
It's
little-
very early.
A little
for them.
squirrel
Yeah,
back
trying
there.
to get the peaches.
It's been a weird year. It's definitely been an early year. My star jasmine bloomed a whole month earlier than I expected it to. So it's definitely been an interesting year.
Things are doing different things.
Jack, I see what you mean. This is so nice to have the clothes.
Oh, we use it every day.
Do you?
We
Oh, yeah.
definitely.
Oh, I just love that.
And really, 9 months out of the year, you
can-
use it.
You're good.
Yeah.
I need a clothesline in my backyard now.
And there, maybe not every neighborhood, they're comfortable with the people are comfortable with putting them in. But in Curtis Park, it is a free for all.
Curtis Park, you can do it.
It is
yeah.
unique.
Curtis
we
Park
had
is
one.
a
We
fun
had the
neighborhood.
hole with the old clothesline that kind of
yeah. The
umbrellaed
umbrella
out.
one. Yep.
And when we moved in here, was over somewhere into the patio there.
Yeah.
And we used that all the time. So we said, hey, let's get back to our clothesline
Yeah,
and get
you'll
rid of
if you
this
walk
dryer.
around the neighborhood and go down the alleys and look in their backyards,
Yeah.
you'll see people with clotheslines that have been there since the 20s and 30s.
That's so cool.
I know.
This neighborhood and this house, it feels very historic. It feels historic California.
Oh, yeah.
Which
It
is
is a
really
very-
it's just fun. It's just fun to be here and to see it. You know what I mean? Because I see a lot of gardens. I see a lot of brand new gardens, and it's just fun to see a 40-year-old garden
Established, yeah.
established with chickens. I don't know if you guys can see the little chicks here.
Where are they?
They're
They
right
are
here.
so cute.
Right here.
So,
Oh, there
Jack,
they are, right
you
there.
Carol was telling me you just came home one day with these. Is that right?
What's that?
You came home one day with the new chicks.
I went over to Western Feed,
Uh-huh.
and the manager says, Jack, hey, man, we have some chicks. It's never happened, but we have some chicks we haven't sold.
Uh-oh.
And so I'll give you a couple, and I'll even give you a bag of food.
Oh my God.
So
I
I
mean, how can
called-
you say no?
So I called her, and I said, I have a surprise. And she goes, you didn't.
I knew exactly what that's
And
about.
you did.
But they're as sweet as can be.
Yeah.
Very
and-
cute. They're very cute.
Yeah.
But Jenny,
Yeah.
there's no slugs in the yard.
That's true. That's true.
We've got little Gigi and Ruby.
Gigi and Ruby. Oh, those are cute names. You're very cute. And hopefully eventually they'll start getting along with the older ones.
Yeah, so far so good. This has actually been the best day yet.
Good. Okay, let me show this part. This is the star jasmine and the cypress growing up the side. Look at how gorgeous this house is, you guys. Hopefully you can see it. And then coming around here, this is like a common style of Sacramento lot where it kind of comes around and we have the driveway
Exactly.
over here. And Jack, this is your office?
It is.
Now, what do you do in your office?
I'm a personal trainer and a physical therapist.
Wow. So you see clients back here.
Yes.
You have the most energy. I mean, it's very impressive.
And I have to just add, he's working on a painting. He's done many paintings.
Yeah.
I'll show you one in particular
Yeah.
that I did in the living
yeah.
room. But he's a very accomplished
Jack.
painter.
As a physical therapist, the worst cases I ever saw come into the office at Sutter
Yeah.
were the people that had just retired. They're rudderless.
Yeah.
And so I just decided I'm just going to work till I drop.
Yep. And you're
That's
doing
it.
it.
Yes.
You're doing a great job. It's very
But
impressive.
it's fun work. I mean,
It's really
fun
fun.
Yeah.
work mostly for him. I was a court reporter. I had to listen
You had to
all
listen
day.
all day. So probably the garden is probably very relaxing for you now.
Gosh, yes. When I retired, I was
Tell
so
me
happy.
about your milkweed. This is beautiful.
Milkweed is, of course, the butterflies
It's-
love it.
It's basically a pretty weed.
But
Yeah.
it is kind of like the morning, a little bit better than the morning glory, but
I mean, it's in the name, right? Milkweed, right?
Yeah.
But it is really, really gorgeous. And then you said this was a Lady Banks rose back here.
yes,
So
which is so beautiful in the spring, but that's it.
This house is just it has such a soul to it, you know what I mean? It's really cool. And then coming over on this side, this is kind of the driveway, but this is where you keep a lot of your vegetables.
Yes, and we kind of gated this off probably 20
Yeah.
years ago or
Yeah,
so, and
yeah.
just made this an extension of the yard
Oh, my
for
goodness.
kids to play basketball back in the day, or
Yeah.
whatever. And
I like
so
your little
now,
decorations. Those are
That
cute.
that plant will take you out.
prong
This plant
prong
will take you out.
protectors, but
Yeah, protect your grandkids.
Yeah.
yes.
Very cute. Oh, I
And
love it. And I
so-
just got to point out the little chickens back here. These are the big girls.
The
I
big
should say.
girls that are kind of
Now,
accepting the little
this
girls now.
this rose, Janie,
Yeah.
a friend of mine, she and I went to Sonoma, and there was an antique rose nursery in Sonoma.
Interesting.
And this came from the Bahamas.
Oh my gosh.
It was grafted off of rose bush on the side of a church in the Bahamas.
Oh my gosh.
And it actually does bloom red and white.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's kind of not the best time for it. It's a
Couple
little
months
hot,
ago,
but
it was
Yeah.
but
outrageous.
it does occasionally have red. Not as much red, but
Do you remember the name of that nursery in Sacramento?
I don't.
in Sonoma.
But
Sonoma?
it's strictly antique roses.
I'm going to have to look that up and see
I
if I
find
can
it. If I can find it, yeah, there's a little red one
Yeah.
bloomed out. But anyway,
And then, of course, you have the lemon tree, which is just...
Yeah,
this
they.
lemon hedge, has been here since. It's kind of old, and I'm
Yeah, they're
hoping
pretty
the
old.
mulch.
But it's still producing.
Yes.
It's still
They're
producing really well.
producing.
You've got lemons
Yeah.
absolutely everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, you guys, a huge thank you for showing me around your beautiful
Oh,
property.
Jenny.
Of course.
What a cool place to live. You guys should be so, I don't know, like proud to live here because this is just the coolest place. I just love it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And you've done a great job with the garden and everything else.
And Jenny, you're always welcome.
You know, don't say that because I'm going to come jump in the pool. I'm going to come jump in the pool, I promise. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.
Oh, thank you.
Bye. Thank you.